Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about clipper and clamper circuit. Clipper circuit is used to clip off certain part of input signal without distorting remaining part of input signal. There are different types of clipper circuit: positive clipper circuit, negative clipper circuit, bias clipper circuit, and combinational clipper. In positive clipper circuit, we use diode and resistor. This is series positive clipper circuit because it clips positive portion of input signal, and this diode is in series with load resistance, so this is known as series positive clipper. Suppose for positive half cycle, for positive half cycle, this positive terminal is connected to cathode and negative terminal is connected to anode through a resistance R. So this diode is reverse bias. Reverse bias means open circuit and there is no current flowing. No current is flowing in this circuit. We get a zero output voltage. Means for positive half cycle we get 0 volt voltage, and for negative half cycle this negative terminal is connected to negative or cathode and positive terminal is connected to anode. It means that this diode is forward bias and current is flowing in this circuit, and we get the output, and output is same as input. So we get a graph like this. This is the input signal, and in this input signal positive portion of input signal is clipped off or removed, but there is no distortion in the negative portion. So this is the example of series positive clipper. Then negative series negative clipper. Negative clipper means it clips off negative part of input signal. For positive cycle, this positive terminal is connected to anode, negative terminal is connected to cathode. So this diode is forward bias and current is flowing in this, and we get output is equal to the input. We get an output which is equal to the input for positive half cycle. For negative half cycle, negative terminal is connected to positive anode, and this positive terminal is connected to cathode. It means that this diode is reverse bias, act as an open circuit, and we get zero output voltage. This is the wave form of input signal, and we get the output signal like this. In this output signal, negative part is flipped off or removed. Then shunt negative clipper. In shunt negative clipper, if this positive terminal is connected to cathode, negative terminal is connected to anode, it means that this diode is this diode act as an open circuit, and here a load resistance is connected, so current is flowing through the load resistance, and we get an output which is equal to input for positive half cycle. For negative half cycle, this negative terminal is connected to cathode, positive terminal is connected to anode. This diode is forward bias means act as an short circuit, so we get an output is equal to 0. So in this case, negative portion is clipped off. Then this is the case of bias series positive clipper. In this case, a battery is connected in series with resistance R. And we start analyzing this circuit with that cycle in for which this battery is additive, means positive negative. So we start with negative half cycle. In negative half cycle, this Vi is added with Vb. So this negative terminal is connected to cathode, positive terminal is connected to anode, and this diode acts as an short circuit, and output is equal to the input because current is flowing in this circuit and these are two parallel branches. So output is approximately same as input for negative half cycle. Okay. Then for positive half cycle, this Vb is here it is positive, negative, positive. Means in this case, input voltage is not additive with Vb. Suppose that value of Vb is 5 volt. Vi, input voltage, peak voltage of input signal is V, Vm, and value of Vm is 5 volt. If value of Vm is 5 volt and value of Vb is 2 volt, it means 5 minus 2 means 3. Positive terminal of 3 voltage is connected to cathode and negative is connected to anode. It means that this diode is reverse bias act as an open circuit. So in this case, if we apply KVL in this circuit, then we get this output V naught plus minus minus plus. V naught minus Vb is equal to 0. It means that V naught is equal to Vb. When value of input voltage is greater than Vb, in that case this diode acts as an open circuit and we get an output which is equal to the Vb, a constant value. But suppose that value of Vb is 2 volt and value of Vi is 1 volt. For this reason, value of Vb is 2 volt and Vi is 1 volt, means 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 volt, and positive terminal of 1 volt is connected to anode and negative terminal is connected to cathode. It means that this diode is forward bias. Forward bias means current is flowing in this circuit, and when current is flowing in this circuit, we get an output which is equal to the input. So when the value of input voltage is less than Vb, then output follows input, and when the value of input voltage is greater than battery voltage, in that case we get a constant voltage. So and this is a positive tripper because a portion of positive part is removed. Similarly, this is a bias shunt positive clipper. Positive, negative, positive, negative. This is additive. So we start with negative half cycle. This negative terminal is connected to anode. Positive terminal is connected to cathode. It means that this diode act as an open circuit and current is flowing because here a load resistance is connected, current is flowing in this circuit and output is equal to the input. For negative half cycle we get the same output as the input. For positive half cycle, suppose the value of input voltage is 5 volt and value of VB is 2 volt. It means that 5 minus 2, positive part of 3 volt is connected to anode, negative is connected to cathode. It means that this diode acts as a short circuit. So when we apply KVL in this circuit, we get output is equal to VB. Why? Because plus minus minus plus. V naught minus VB is equal to 0. So we get a constant voltage when the value of input voltage is greater than battery voltage. Suppose that the value of input voltage is 1 volt and value of VB is 2 volt. It means that 2 minus 1. Positive terminal of 1 volt is connected to cathode. Negative terminal is connected to anode. It means that uh, this diode is reverse bias. Reverse bias means open circuit, and we get output follows. So when the value of input voltage is less than VB, output follows input, and when the value of input voltage greater than battery voltage, in that case we get an constant value of voltage which is equal to VB. So some portion of output voltage is cut off, so it is known as shunt positive flipper. Then I am explaining one more example. Bias series positive flipper. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive means this voltage is additive. So we start with positive half cycle. For positive half cycle, this positive terminal is connected to cathode. It means that this diode is reverse bias. Reverse bias means open circuit, and we get a constant voltage. If we apply KVL in this circuit, positive, negative, positive, negative means additive. V naught plus VB is equal to 0. It means that value of V naught is equal to minus VB for positive half cycle. For positive half cycle, for only positive half cycle, we get the output which is equal to minus VB. And for negative half cycle, when suppose that value of VI is 5 volt and value of VB is 2 volt, 5 minus 2 is 3 volt and negative terminal of 3 volt is connected to cathode. It means that this diode is forward bias. Forward bias means current is flowing in this circuit and output follows input. For this case, when value of input voltage is 5 or greater than VB. Suppose value of input voltage is 1 volt. 1 volt. In this case, 2 minus 1 is 1 and negative terminal is connected to anode. positive terminal is connected to cathode, it means that this diode is reverse bias open circuit, and in this case output is equal to the, we get a constant, sorry, we get a constant voltage. When this diode is reverse bias, it means that it acts as an open circuit, and if we apply KVL in the circuit, output is equal to minus VB. And this is shown when value of input voltage is less than VB or battery voltage, we get a constant voltage minus V. Then this is experiment of series clipper and negative clipper circuit. Positive and negative clipper circuit, and this is the clipper and clamper circuit. These are the different clipper circuit: series negative, series positive, bias, series positive, and in these two terminals we apply a sine wave generator, where means we give an input between these two terminals, and these are the output terminals, and these output terminal is connected to the CRO in all cases. And when we connect this is the case of series positive clipper. So we get a wave. This is the input wave, and this is the output. Our positive portion is clipped off. Similarly, when we connect this sine wave generator to the input, between input terminal and CRO is connected between output terminal, we get a wave like this. Okay. Next, similarly, when we connect, this is the input terminal in all case. So this sine wave generator is connected between this, and CRO is connected between our output, and we get an wave like this. Negative portion is clipped off. Similarly, sine wave generator is connected between input, CRO is connected between output, and we get a wave like this. Then we discuss the case of bias clipper. In bias clipper, input is a sine wave generator is connected between input terminal, CRO is connected between output terminal, and this is a positive DC supply. This positive DC supply is connected between 17 and 18 point. Means here a battery is connected, and we rotate this knob, battery of this knob at 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, and see the output waveform. Output waveform is like this. Similarly, same circuit, sine wave generator is connected between input terminal, CRO is connected between output terminal, and negative, in this case, negative DC supply is connected between 17 and 18. It means that we reverse the polarity of DC voltage, and so we get an output like this. When knob is at minus 1 volt, when knob is at minus 2 volt. Similarly, for this circuit, we get like this. And last one is when we, in this case, sine wave generator is connected between input terminal, CRO is connected between output terminal. This is connected between positive, between these 2 points we connect positive DC supply, and between these 2 points we connect a negative DC supply. Then this is the waveform. Experiment. Plot and verify output waveform for different clipper and clamper circuit. Apparatus required clipper and clamper. Trainer kit. Connecting lead CRO. Then write theory. Graph. Graph are nothing. Simply waveforms. Result and precaution. Then clamping circuit. Clamping circuit is used to insert DC level into AC signal. And in clamper circuit, we use a diode, resistance, and capacitor. And this is a example of clamper, diode clamper. We start analyzing this clamper circuit for which for that cycle for which this diode is forward bias. For negative half cycle, this diode is forward bias, and forward bias means it acts as a short circuit. Current starts flowing in this direction, and this capacitor is charged to the peak value Vn of input signal. Clear? And this capacitor is charged to Vm positive peak value of. Then for positive half cycle, this terminal is positive, this terminal is positive, and in this case, this Vm positive, negative, and this Vm is added to the Vi, and we get an expression Vi is equal to Vm plus Vi plus Vm, and which is equal to Vm sin omega t plus Vm. Clear? For when we change direction of diode, in this case, positive. For positive half cycle, this diode is forward bias, act as a short circuit, and current is flowing in this direction. So this terminal is positive and this is negative. For negative half cycle, this terminal is negative positive. So negative positive, and we get an output which is equal to Vi minus Vm, and it is written as clear. In bias clamper circuit, we use a battery in series with diode. And this is the clamper waveform, output waveform of clamper circuit. In this waveform is clamped at minus 5 volt, and this waveform is clamped at 0 volt. And in this circuit, sine wave is generator is connected in between input terminal, CRO is connected between output terminal, and see the waveform, not waveform, shifting in waveform. Shifting in waveform is like this. Similar is this when we connect sine wave generator between these 2 points and CRO between these sides, we get a clamped wave like this. And for next example, DC power supply is connected in between these 2 points. Sine wave generator is connected between input points. CRO is connected between output, and we get a clamped wave like this. If we change the sign of the battery and get the clamped wheel. Say similar as in this case, sine wave generator is connected between input terminals. CRO is connected between this, and first we connect positive DC supply. Next we connect negative DC supply, and we see the clamping of waveform. These are the clamping. Plot and verify output of different clipper and clamper circuit. Apparatus required is this connecting wire. Wait for a minute. I will show you the video of this experiment. Good morning, students. Today we will perform experiments on clipper and clamp circuit. This is the experimental board. In this experimental board, this is clipper circuit, and this is clamper circuit. This is sine wave generator. It gives sinusoidal wave as an input to the desired circuit. This is positive DC power supply, and this is negative DC power supply. According to these connection, one is connected to 7, one is connected to this point, and second point is connected to this point, and TP3 and TP4 is connected to the CRO. And here we give a sinusoidal wave, and this is shown in CRO. This sinusoidal wave is given as an input to the clipper circuit, and this is output, and this when we connect this output to this channel, we get a clipped output waveform. And this is positive clipper because it clips positive part of sinusoidal wave without distorting the remaining part of signal. Next we connect output between these 2 points, and sinusoidal wave is connected to the point 9 and 10. So input is given in this shunt positive clipper, and output is shown by this. Next we study the bias series positive clipper and bias series negative clipper circuit. First we connect bias series negative clipper. Input is connected between point 15 and 16, and output is connected this is ground and this is positive terminal. Output is connected between TP11 and TP12, and input is connected between 15 and 16. This positive terminal is connected to the 17 and negative terminal is connected. And if we increase the voltage, this is 0 volt, and corresponding output voltage is shown in CRO. And when voltage is 1 volt, corresponding output is shown on CRO screen. When output is 2 volt, output is shown on CRO screen. Good morning, students. Today we will perform experiments of clamper circuit. This is clamper circuit, and clamper circuit is used for inserting DC level to the AC. And according to this circuit connections, we connect TP1 to 37, TP2 to 38, and output is connected to the CRO. And this is clamper circuit and used for only insertion of DC voltage. And if we press this AC button, this wave is shifted in upward direction. Similarly, for when we connect this 3 to 43 and this terminal 4 is connected to 44, and output is connected to the CRO, and this input is connected to between 41 and 42. And if we press this button, we see the shifting in the waveform.